Welcome to the Civil Reports Weekly Wrap-Up, where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. On Monday, the market closed up 46 points after being up over 400 points earlier in the day. The Fang stocks, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Google all saw increases on Monday, as well as PayPal. PayPal reported that it will roll out banking products in the weeks ahead, which pushed the stock up $1.33, or 1.8%. On Tuesday, Chinese President Xi Jinping calmed trade war fears, and the market responded positively by closing up 428 points. Oil stocks saw a big gain as crude oil hit $65 per barrel. The move up was driven by tensions in the Middle East. Also on Tuesday, Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg went before Congress. Facebook stock reacted positively, closing up over 4% for the day. On Wednesday, the markets were down. The Dow dropped 218 points in reaction to President Trump's tweets about possible military action in Syria and increasing tension between Russia. But oil continued its rise, making a 3-year high, closing the day at $66.84. Mark Zuckerberg faced day 2 in front of U.S. lawmakers. Facebook shares saw a slight increase, and Goldman Sachs put a sell rating on Tesla with a price target of $195 per share. The bad news just won't stop at Tesla.
On Thursday, the market closed up 293 points. Investors were bullish on the news from President Trump that a military strike on Syria may not be imminent, which calmed many investors' worries. Blackrock reported earnings beating revenue estimates by $210 million and EPS estimates by 30 cents. Deere Co saw a 4% jump off of no significant news. Keep an eye on this. I won't be surprised if they blow earnings out of the water.
On Friday, the market closed down 122 points. Investors headed to the sidelines as speculation of a weekend military strike on Syria increased. The banks reported earnings on Friday. JP Chase beat revenue estimates by $860 million and EPS estimates by 8 cents. Citibank's revenue of $18.8 billion was in line with analyst estimates, and EPS beat estimates by 7 cents. Wells Fargo beat revenue estimates by $160 million and EPS estimates by 5 cents. The overall markets were up for the week. The Dow gained 1.8%, the S&P increased by 2%, and the Nasdaq increased by 2.8%. In crypto news, Bitcoin had a wild ride this week, trading down to the $6,600 range and then trading up to $8,035. Litecoin was trading at the $127 range at the time of this recording. Ethereum was trading at the $505 range, and Ripple was trading at the 65 cents range. Crude oil closed the week at $67.33 per barrel. A big winner for the week, Pulse Biosciences, which was up 12.9% for the week. A big loser for the week, Glaukos Corp, which was down 11.9% for the week. Thank you for checking out the weekly wrap-up. This channel and website are dedicated to anyone who wants to start investing but isn't sure where or how to start. If you have any questions or concerns, leave us a comment below, like and subscribe, and may your next investment be your best investment.